Hi, my name is David Adler. I am doing my video on the file operation for reading another file, the input from a file, input.in, and doing ifs while reading that file to collect to a large enough sum, and or running out of code in that file or collection from that file, and then putting the result in output.iout. So this is my input. Okay, import double declare variables. This is my min, this is my max. Reading from the file. This is the ifs, if statements, if then statements. This is for if it doesn't read the file, it can't process the file. This writes to the file. This has out to the right, so this puts it into the output, closing the line. Also another process error, processing the file for a different reason. And then this is my string output files to task. Okay, so let's run it. Okay,